How are you, Ruby?
I'm fine. How are you?
You're fine. Now that's wonderful to hear. Now, Ruby, tell me about your song choice. What led to this very moment?
Oh, because Olivia Newton-John is my favorite.
Oh, I love Olivia Newton-John. Have you like done Grease vibes as well?
Never tried the dances.
Oh, okay, all right, okay,
Only the
that's good.
songs.
Leather
I wish I
jackets,
can.
maybe. What about leather jackets? How you feel about those?
The jackets. Once, yeah.
Yeah, once. Okay, now very good. Tell the audience which song are you gonna sing for them?
It's Let Me Be There and Let Me Be There.
Let Me Be There. All right. So give it up for singer number 1.
Wherever you go, wherever you may wander in your life, surely you know I'll always wanna be there, holding your hand and standing by to catch you when you fall, seeing you through. And everything you do, let me be there in your morning, let me be there in your night. Let me change whatever's wrong and make it right. Let me take you through that wonderland that only two can share. All I ask you is let me be there. Watching you grow and going through the changes in your life, that's how I know I'll always wanna be there. Whenever you feel you need a friend to lean on, here I am. Whenever you call, you know I'll be there. Let me be there in your morning, let me be there in your night. Let me change whatever's wrong and make it right. Let me take you through that wonderland that only two can share. All I ask you is let me be there. Let me be there in your morning, let me be there in your night. Let me change whatever's wrong and make it right. Let me take you through that wonderland that only two can share. All I ask you is let me be there. All I ask you is let me be there.
Put your hands together for Ruby.
I swallowed my candy.
You did wonderful. Now, if you would like to vote